Do you want to become better at dance and teaching? You're in the right place! What up party people, I'm Alex and welcome to More Than a Dance Tutorial, a weekly series about dance, music and culture. James Brown or Do the James is a party dance from the 80s. It started to be famous after the song Do the James by Superlover C and Casanova Rude. You can find it in the description below. The main inspiration for this dance step is the one and only James Brown. Now let's see some dancers doing the James. If you want to find out more about this dance step, check my last video about the roots of some dance styles and dance moves. Link in the description below. Okay, for this one, we're gonna stay like this and we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. To the other side, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3. And 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Now we are ready to jump on the James. So we're gonna go like this. And 1. Again. This one it goes. And open, close. And the other leg you let it free, loose. You can keep it in the air or down, but you stay on this one. So it will be something like this. And 1. 5, 6, 7, go. Open, close. 5, 6, 7, go. Open, close. On the other side. 5, 6, 7, go. Open, close. Good. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're gonna go 2 counts and it will be like this. Check it, just watch. And 1 and 2. Okay, now come with me. And 1 and 2. Faster. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. On the other side. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2. 5, 6, last time. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Okay. Music. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6. Okay, 4 counts. That side. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, one more time. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. Let's go on the music. 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay, this one we can do it with the bounce, rocking, wave, and so on. So we're gonna try 3 different versions. First one with the bounce. So when we go side to the side, we're gonna bounce in the same time. 5, 6, 7, go. Bounce and 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 bounce. The bounce is here. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Good. One more time. 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Good. DJ. 5, 6, 5, 6. If you need help with the bounce, check my tutorial in the description below. Okay, the next one. Rocking. We're gonna rock our body to the front, like this. And in the same time, we're gonna do the James. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So it's back, front, back, front, back, front. Good. Music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. The next one with body wave. Okay, so I'm gonna do body wave and in the same time the James. 5, 6, 7, go. Wave, 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 wave and wave, 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 wave. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. And wave, 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 wave and wave, 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 wave. Okay, the music. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. So if you want to become more comfortable with this step, make sure you practice this part a lot so your ankles will be more and more stronger. If you want to teach this step, make sure your students have strong ankles, and in the beginning make sure they can do it like this. After that you can add with one leg. Also don't forget to try it 2 counts, 1 count, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, so you can have more options and more ways to play with it. Enjoy. Peace. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoy it. If you want to support my channel, press that like button, press the subscribe, and of course press the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post something new. Peace and love.